Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Y'all come on in the shop, make yourself comfortable. Tonight we're going to do a shop update. So last week we uploaded the tool handle video. A lot of comments and feedback on that. Quite a few folks watching it, so thank you everyone who watched it and gave me the comments and the likes. I really appreciate that. But that's the only video I got uploaded last week. You see, I'm on vacation this week, so last week was mostly spent preparing to take vacation this week. You know, anytime you leave, there's always so much to do before you can go, and then Lord knows there'll be plenty there when I get back. But the good news is I've got vacation this week, so I can do a little bit more and get some videos done and hopefully get some going forward. As I said, the tool handle was up last week. Some of the comments that I got, in particular, one gentleman said where he lives, he doesn't really have metal piping, so it's hard to get copper piping or fitting. He was asking what else he might use. Well, I'm not real sure. I'm sure some of you folks may have some ideas, and if you do, please put them down in the comments. I'm sure it'll help him out, and there may be other folks around the world that have the same issue. But I really wasn't a lot of help in that. That's all I've ever used is copper fittings. The other thing, a couple of folks said just how much they enjoyed the video, how informative it was. A lot of folks talking about how it entertained them. They thought it was really good. And you know, we go back to why I started doing this. The whole reason I started this channel was to entertain you, educate you, and motivate you to get back out in your shop and do something. So when I see people going back out in their shop and making things and telling me how much they're enjoying the videos and how much they learned, it makes me think I might be doing something right. And that's the whole reason I did all this in the first place, folks. So thank you. Thank you for watching. And let me say one more thing. If you do like what I'm doing, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Give me a like. Ring the notification bell so you get notification of emails coming out. And give me a comment. I love to see the comments. Now, what's coming out this week? Well, here's the handle that I made in last week's video. This is a video that's going to be coming out this week. You can see that I used a 3/8 ball mill for the cutter, and I did a complete video on how to make the tool portion of that this week. So if you want to make this, last Monday I did the handle. This week I'm going to be putting up the tool. And one thing I want to say about that, folks, that is not my idea. I learned about that through woodturners.org. If you haven't gone and joined that group, I highly suggest you go online, go to woodturners.org, scroll down just a little bit, you'll see where it says click on this to go to the meeting. The meetings are on Wednesday night. Everybody starts gathering about 6 p.m. Central Time. We have a demo at 7 p.m. and typically by 9 o'clock, everything is shutting down. You come when you want, you leave when you want. It doesn't cost you anything except your time to be there. If you want to participate, participate. If you want to sit back and watch, sit back and watch. It can be whatever you want it to be, but there's tons of folks on there with a lot of knowledge that share things that they made, ideas, and I just can't see how you wouldn't enjoy yourself if you're a wood turner. So what's coming up next week? Well, I just kind of told you one thing. The tool's going to be coming out, and then I'm going to do some more basic skill building projects this week. I want to do a honey dipper. I think that's great for beginners, and for us folks that have been turning for a while, it's a great skill builder. I may do some spurtles and some wands as well. Again, just some simple projects, some projects that folks can sell if they'd like, and that'll help with their skill building. So don't forget, go to worldwidewoodturners.org, log in, and join for just one meeting. I think you'll enjoy yourself. The other thing, the Southwestern Association of Turners is coming up in August. Registration is open. If you haven't signed up, probably ought to do that. SWAT is a great symposium. If you like turning, you'll love it. There's a lot of great programs. There's a great trade show you can walk through. Of course, you can walk through, you don't necessarily have to buy anything. Well, honestly, that may not be exactly the truth. You may be able to go through there without buying anything, but so far I haven't. So carry your wallet with you and be prepared. You'll run across a whole lot of things that you just don't think you can live without. No, seriously, folks, it's a great symposium, and if you've never been, you owe it to yourself to go. And if you've been before, You remember how much you love it. I'll see you there, okay? Folks, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. It's very humbling when I see how many people watch, how many subscribe, and the comments. I can't thank you enough. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.